whatever the fuck, how do you say that word? Effortlessly serving face. Today I'll be doing a review on this foundation. I don't even know how to say it. Is it Makiage? I don't know. But anyway, so it's basically a company where you do like an online like few questions and then they match your perfect foundation or whatever. So I did the questions online and then they matched me with the 220. So we're gonna see if this works. I have not used it yet. It still has like the packaging and stuff on it, so we're gonna take all of that off and then we're just going to see how this stuff works. I got matched with the 220. Woke up like this. So I apply my foundation with a beauty blender. I applied my foundation with a beauty blender, so I'm gonna be applying it with the beauty blender, and I am gonna put my primer on my face just because my pores just be like terrible. I'm nervous. I'm so freaking nervous. 2021. I'm on my Lori Harvey shit. What's her name? Lori Harvey? I don't know what her name is. I don't know her name, but I don't even know where my ponytail holder is. Okay, well, we're just gonna put our, I didn't even lay my lace down all the way, but we're just gonna put our hair back. Let me use this hand next. So I'm gonna just pop it on. Okay, first impressions. It's really like subtle. It's not full coverage like I was expecting it to be, but then again, you know, after looking at all the reviews, it just looks like it's just like your skin on your skin. I'm not like crazy about it. Let me blend it down to here. I wouldn't say that it's not like, it's not my favorite. It's not. It's giving me a gray tint. Like the light that I have, the ring light that I have has a warm tone, but me looking in the mirror, I feel like it has like a gray tint. I don't know. Let me I don't know. Where's my concealer? I don't know. Let's do our whole face real quick and let's see exactly how we feel about this, because as of right now, maybe it's not my shade. I don't know. Let's like blend all of this in. Bake in, wipe it off, and I'll come back once I'm like complete. Can you grab that? I'll come back when I'm like completely done with my face, give my review on it, and you know, I'll be you guys. So I'm back. I did my whole face. It's been about like about an hour after I've done my face, so I feel feel like it needed to oxidize into my skin. I felt like it was just sitting on top of my skin and it really wasn't doing anything at first. But now that I look at it, once it's oxidized and once it's like actually on there, it looks really, really cute. I like it a lot. I didn't think I'm gonna wear it like some more during my 14-day trial. I'm going to wear it some more and you know, get the gist of it, because I do want to give it a chance, because there's so many good reviews on it, and I'm just like, it's so many good reviews for a product, it has to be good. Like, so I'm definitely going to, you know, wear it all day, see what it does, and I'm gonna like I said, it needed to oxidize onto my skin. That was the #1 thing. It was just sitting on top of my skin, and I feel like it could have possibly been the primer. So next time I wear it, I'm not going to use primer. I'm just going to moisturize my face like normal, and then put it on. So hopefully that makes it look a little bit better for the next time that I wear it. But I'm definitely satisfied after I didn't beat my whole face and like did everything. It definitely looks good. It definitely is very lightweight on my skin. That's what I like. I like for things to be lightweight. I don't like for like products to be like heavy on my skin. Like this is not like a no makeup look, but this is like a natural makeup look. So it is really cute. I like it. I went and put my dewy setting spray on. I have the dewy setting spray from let me just focus this camera in. The dewy setting spray from Black Radiance. That's the setting spray that I use. Love it. It's amazing. If you want like a dewy photo finish, you can definitely use that. So yeah, I definitely like it. I would definitely recommend it. As of right now, I might do an update because it's like a first impressions. So I might do an update video on this to see if I really like it. But so far, I definitely do like this foundation and I do recommend it. So make sure you go get yours. It's the me for me. It's the me for me. It's the me for me.